we just came out of Troy, and it was actually way heavier than we expected, right? Just what was your reaction?
It was a pretty non-stop ride, that's for sure. I mean, I had like tears coming out of my eyes as I was going down.
Yeah.
Fucking insane.
Hi, we're back, and we're going to the wing coaster from this park called Fēnix, I think. It's gonna be my first wing coaster, and Zeus, he already did a wing coaster somewhere. I don't know where. Thor Park?
Swarm at Thor Park.
He did Swarm at Swarm Park.
So I'm looking forward to this one.
So yeah, and according to the things on Reddit and online, people say that this one is better than that one. So let's see.
And we are here at the entrance. The queue looks amazing. This painting is moving.
Yeah. The hell do you put that? Oh, hey, fits perfect. Look at that. Yeah. Oh no. This is quite high as well. Hola, top rope.
After that, we went eating at the chicken place across the entrance of the Fēnix. It looks amazing, look at this. And it was amazing as well. After that, we also went to Dwervelwind, which I'll show you a bit of footage.
Jesus. Yeah, whoa, my God. It's weird, oh my God. The fact that it spins is so weird. Oh my. Oh. Okay. Hey, oh, Jesus. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my. Jesus. Hi, that was basically all the rides that I can show you guys. And well, like this is our next second day in the park. and we're gonna enjoy the rest of our day here. But this is the end of the video, so I hope you liked the video. Subscribe maybe, and I'll see you soon.